In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask a question on Facebook Story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application and then here first tap at Stories and then tap on plus sign where it says Create Story. Now, there you can upload some media from your camera roll. I'll select that one, and now all I have to do in order to add their equation is tap here at stickers icon, and here I can find question, and now I can write there my question. I can just type in ask me a question, and then I can hit on done and position that sticker in any place that I want. I can move it around, I can resize it, I can rotate it, and after that I can continue editing that story. I can add there some audio or some effects, and once the story is ready I can just hit there at share to story to share it to my followers. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.